Hey, Sinus and Snoring, this is Carol Caesar and my dog Annie. We just wanted to give you guys a big shout out this Thanksgiving holiday and say thank you so much for the great job you did on my husband Mark's snoring problem a few years ago. Before Dr. Slaughter did the procedure on Mark, we slept in separate rooms. We stopped taking family vacations because the snoring was so loud, it was just unbearable. It affected me, it affected the kids. And we had all just kind of thought, wow, this is a way of life for us. But after the procedure, the snoring is gone. We are back to taking trips. We're back to traveling together, sleeping harmoniously, and it is just wonderful. Life-changing. Thank you so much, Dr. Slaughter, and thank you, Sinus and Snoring of Austin.